Okay. Is what do you mean by printing statements? Yeah. Right. It is used to print, guys. Okay. So in Python, it is supporting 3 to 4 types of printing statements. Okay. So the same print only. Okay. It's not like big syntax are there. Basically in Java, if you take no, you need to write system dot out dot println, right? To print something onto the console. But here we need simply a print statement only. Okay. Right. Okay, we'll have a 3 to 4 styles of printing statements. We'll see one by one with some examples, right? Okay, just a minute. Okay. Yeah. All right, so guys, let's start the class. Okay. So yeah, this is class 17, huh? 18. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we'll make the class as 17. Okay. I think in class by class 40 we are gonna complete the core Python. Okay. We'll try to complete advanced Python in by class 50. Okay. Right. Okay. Because people are not regularly joining. No, that's the problem actually. But fine, no problem. Actually, we are going in a good pace only. Yeah. Output statements, right? Guys, okay. We'll see how we can write an output statement in Java. Okay. See, system dot out dot println. You need to write, right? Guys, am I audible properly? This is how we need to write the output statements in where? Java. But in Python, we have a very simple statement they give. Just write print. Inside that, you can modify in 3 to 4 ways. Okay. Okay. We'll see what are the total ways and all. Okay. One by one. Okay. Right. So basically, we can use. So basically, print is a function, guys. Again. Okay. So Srimukhi, can you tell me what is the function? Yep. Yeah. Correct. So basically, the thing is print function, right? See, inside they have defined the print function like this, and they wrote a logic in a such a way that okay, it should print something to the console. This is called print function, guys. Okay, which is not something new. See, print is a function which is defined already inside. Okay, by the Python library. Okay, guys, is that clear, everyone? Okay, so we'll see 4 forms of printing statements. Okay, so the form one is which we are seeing regularly. Okay, without any argument, guys. See, whatever we are giving, you know, suppose you can't say without any argument, just like whatever we are giving, this form one is like just if we write some string, it will be printing some string, right? If you write something like x equal to 10, x equal to 100, print of x, it will be printing something to the x value. Yes, is that clear? Right? So just execute the program, okay? Print. Right, guys, is that clear? Okay, now we can add some escape characters. Shishma, you're telling something yesterday, right? Escape characters. Okay, slash n slash t. Okay, so slash n is for next line. Okay, and slash t is for giving it tab space in the printing statements. Okay, right? It is for okay. Yeah, right. See, guys, if I write slash n, then Kiran, Srimukhi, can you tell me what will be the output here? Yeah, then that next line will be 200. Okay, is that clear? Yeah, so that is the how we can integrate the escape characters in the print statements. Okay, see guys. Okay, see it is taking some space. That's why we are getting some space. Okay, here. Okay, chalo. Then if I write slash t, Shimuki, can you tell me the answer here? It will give you a t for tab space. Okay, it will give you tab space between Sunil and Kiran. Okay, see. Okay, now if I write Sunil into 100, so what will be the output here, Shimuki? Yep, right. And if we give plus operator, what was the output here, Shrimuki? Yes, exactly. Compilation error. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's make a note of these points. Okay. And then we'll move to the next form. Okay. So this is all about form one, guys. Okay. How we can manipulate the printing statements with escape characters, with the operators like that. Okay. Okay. Note. If both arguments are string type, then plus operator acts as a concatenation operator. Okay. Concatenation means it's adding two strings. Okay. If string with string multiplied by number, it will be repeating. It will be repeating. Like that, okay? So this is all about form one, guys. Guys, any doubts here? Sushmita? Okay. If you know one argument is string and other is integer, if it is a plus symbol, it's an error. Okay, I'm not writing that. Okay, right? You got it right? Okay. Form two. Okay. See, we can give multiple inputs, guys. Okay. Suppose Sunil and then Tech. See, this one you can separate by using comma also. Okay. If you separate by comma, it will by default it will print with a space. Okay. If you have a n number of inputs, you want to print all the inputs in a single line, then go for comma. Okay, now. Srimuki, is that fine? Yeah, if you give comma, no, it will give a space and it will print the next value. Okay. If you have a n number of inputs, you can give comma and so that it will be giving a space for each argument. Okay, right? Clear? Okay. Okay. Next, come on. In the form two is print with multiple arguments. See, so far from the beginning onwards, we are just seeing one form only, right? So in my back of my mind, okay, we'll go for the printing statements, and there we'll explain all the forms of printing statements. That's why I haven't touched that printing statement till now. Okay, right? Okay. See, like this, suppose in this way also we can write x equal to 100, y equal to 200, and z equal to 300, right? Print of the values of x and x, y, z. Uh, Shimuki, is that clear? Okay. Right, right, right. See, that's what by default output values are separated with the spaces. Okay, that I'll write this point. Okay, by default, by default, output values separated with the spaces, spaces, comma space. Okay, if you want, we can specify the separator by using. Okay, fine. Suppose instead of space, I want separated with other one. Okay, instead of space, if I want separator with some comma, right? Or some with other special character, or you know, dollar or modulus, right? Guys, any idea how can we do this? You got it? What I'm trying to ask here? Shrimuki? Hmm. No, no, no. Just use a separate value called separator, SCP. Okay, SCP equal to. Okay, just mention here like that. Okay, fine. Huh? Okay, so it will append comma instead of space. Okay, see, it's fine, Shrimuki. If you write at the rate dollar, it will give you dollar symbol. Okay, see, fine. Huh? Shrimuki, are you able to follow here? Thank you. Okay. See, in some programs, there is a requirement that, okay, so print always going for the next line, right? Suppose even if I write next print statement, it will go for the next line. Am I correct? But there is a requirement. Uh, Suppose if you see the output here, it will be coming in two lines. Am I correct? But in some cases, there is a requirement that this technology should be coming beside the string one only. It shouldn't go for the sorry, it shouldn't go for the line two. So all the things should be printed in line one only. Got it? So there is some requirements are there like that case. Okay. So do you think is it possible here, Srimuki? Maybe yes, right? Obviously, there will be some provision, right, to write like that. But at least you understood the requirement. Okay. Now we'll go for form three. Okay. See, if you are, if you understood the multiple forms, you can manipulate the programs very easily. Okay. Right. Print with the end attribute. Okay. So if you want to make uh, two printing statement values in a single line, use end attribute. Okay. Let us see how we can make that. Okay. So suppose print hi, print bro. See, this hi bro should be coming if you want to make hi bros to be in a single line. In the line one, use comma and then and write end. Okay. Just make end and then with a space. Okay. So after printing hi, it will print some empty character and it will wait at the same line. The cursor won't go for the next line or the control won't go for the next line in the console. Okay. If you whatever you are giving in the end, it will print at that point and it will be waiting in the same line. It won't go for the next line. Shrimuki, is that clear? You got it right. Let's try that. Okay. So with this we can make two strings in a single line. Okay. Okay, I haven't missed this. So, yes, I'm pasting everything into the notepad. Okay. Right? See, guys, I have pasted the four examples which we covered now, okay, in form two. And form three, it is just one example, which is high, okay? Sorry, in the same line only, okay, end attribute. print hi, and with end attribute comma and equal to, see, if I give space, it will be waiting with the space. Okay, print bro. See, Srimuki, now it will come in single line. See, is that fine, Srimuki? So what I mean to say, after printing high, by default, the print statement will go for the next line with the execution part in the console. See, after printing this high, the control will go for the next line and it will be waiting in the next line. But if you want to make the control to be waiting in the same line, use end attribute. Okay. So it will print whatever is there in the end attribute and it will waiting at the same line. Okay. Is that clear? See, if I don't give a space, there won't be any space. If I give some, at the something like this, it will be printing with something like that. Okay. Suppose if I want to make, instead of hi bro, I want to print hi bro, how are you? So Shrimuki, in the same line, can you tell me how can I write? Print off. Suppose if I write how are you, how can I write Shrimuki here? In the which line? Cooper. Correct, correct, correct. And hi bro, how are you? Okay. Chalo. Okay, right. Fine, right? Shrimuki. So this is how we can manipulate, you know, uh, if you want to manipulate multiple statements or if you want to print multiple statements in a single line, this is how we can use the end operator. And I think you pretty much aware of separator, SCP, and end operator, right? Fine. See how many things we are integrating. We are integrating escape characters. We are integrating separator. We are integrating end operator, right? Something like this. And sometimes we are integrating with the operators also. String multiplied with number. String is adding with some other string. String is adding with some other number. We have seen all those cases, right, earlier. Right? This much story is there in the print statements, okay? Okay. Next, form 4. We can directly print. This is very basic one only. We already seen this. We can directly print. We can directly print the entire object to the console. Okay. Suppose if our L is equal to 20, 30, 40, 50, print of L. See? That's what I can. So we can directly print the entire object to the console, right? In this way. Right? Even if you use the operator here also, L into 5, okay, it will printing 55 times. See, like this, right? Fine. Okay. And the next form. Sushmita, are you there in the class? Are you able to follow? Okay. Next form 5. Shimiki, are you comfortable today with the class? Okay, thank you. Yeah, print. See, this is printing with the string and some variables and variable list. You know, this don't want to mention a separate form, but we already covered now with the values of x, y, z, then comma x, comma y, comma z, something like that. So you got it, Shrimukhi. Let us try one more example in that form, then you'll come to know. Okay. Suppose name equal to So we'll take. Okay. Uh, suppose it's ID. ID equal to, suppose let's every business has some ID, right? Or everything has some ID, right? Just give 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose I want to print in a meaningful way. Name is something and ID is something. Guys, can you try this? I want to print like name is so and ID is so and so. And how can we write this? Sushmita, can you tell me now? Yes, yes. Ah. Mm-hmm. Okay. 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 Then Ah, very good. Then ID. Am I correct? Very good. Very good. That's it, guys. This is not a new one to us, right? Srimukhi, is that clear? Okay. And again, if you want to make separator instead of a space, okay, write comma SCP. Okay. Whatever the separator you want, you can pass that. Okay. It's up to you. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's move for the next form. Guys, shall I stop here or can I continue for 15 more minutes? Like, are you feel bit overloading today? No, right? Shrimuk. No, no, not concept. Just we have two more forms of printing statements. We'll continue, right? Okay, okay. This the form 6 is bit difficult. Okay, not difficult, I can say. Uh, it is bit typical. Okay, just try to focus. You need to remember format specifiers, guys. Those who come with the C language, they can easily catch here. But it's not that thing. You need to stay that much focused. Okay, so we need to learn. This is something like formatted string. Formatted string means which is something already manipulated. So we'll see that. Okay. So first you need to remember format specifiers, guys. Okay. Percentage I for int. Okay. See, I'm teaching the format specifiers only. Percentage I or percentage D for int only. Okay. And percentage F for float. Okay. And percentage S for string. Okay. Right. See, now the thing is, if you want to print a group of values, okay. So first we'll mention in the string, okay. Suppose print the value of I is percentage I or percentage D, and the value of X is, and the value of what Y is percentage F, right? Okay. After that, suppose let us assume we have a only single string, okay. Right? Then use modulus X. Guys, have you understood something here, Srimukhi? Can you tell me what is the meaning happening over here? What's the thing going over here? Can you tell me, Srimukhi? In these two lines. That is okay. Yeah, the X is int only. That's why we wrote X is percentage D. See, this percentage D will be replaced with the value inside X. Okay, you got it right? In the console, my percentage D will be replaced with the value inside X. Is that fine, Srimukhi? No, that is how they have written the syntax. Okay, now I'll give you one more example. Okay, so here we have two format specifiers, no, percentage D and percentage F. Okay, so now we need to write two lines. If you want to replace with multiple lines, you need to write like this. You got it? See, now X will be replaced with percentage D and Y will be replaced with percentage F. You got it? Okay. Let us try that. Okay, X equal to 100 and Y equal to 21.78. Okay. So now print, okay, the value of, see, this is one of the style, guys. Okay, it's not like you need to learn, just you need to learn it. Okay, it's not like you need to use it. Okay, if you're not comfortable, just leave it. Okay, but as a trainer, I need to teach every form, right? See, value of Y is how much? Percentage F. See, we know the X is percent int, so that's why we are writing with percentage D, and we know the Y is float, that's why we are writing with percentage F. Okay, see, basically, if you want to see, basically in the string, no, whatever we are writing, that will only print. Am I correct? But apart from format specifiers, it will be replacing with whatever it is there. Am I correct, Shimuki? See, even if I write whatever the stupid thing also, it will print. Am I correct? But except format specifiers and except escape characters, it will print everything. For format specifiers, it will replace with its respective variables. Am I correct? See, right? Then comma. If you have multiple values, modulus is very common. Open parenthesis, then write x comma y. Right? Fine. Why we are getting error here? Oh, guys. Syntax mistake. See, there won't be any commas here. Okay. Please remember, there won't be any commas here. Okay. Okay. See the syntax. I'll tell you again here. Yeah, sorry. Here also I kept comma. Huh? Okay. See, the syntax is printf print formatted string. Formatted string means which contains format specifiers also. Okay. Formatted string. Then modulus. See, instead of comma, we are going for modulus and then variable list, guys. Okay. Where's list? Right? Shimuk, is that clear now? The syntax? Okay. See, now the x is replaced with 100 and y is replaced with 21.78. Okay. Is that clear, Shimuki? Suppose if there is some string, how can I replace Shimuki? Suppose s equal to Sunil or Srimuki. How can I write that? The value of x is percentage d and value of y is percentage f, and then value of s is, right? We'll write something. No? The value of s is super. The value of s is percentages. Okay, na? Then after that, come on, no commas involved, modulus, then s. Okay. So in this form 7, in this formatting specifier, in this formatting string form, no, don't use comma. Okay, please remember that. Okay, even I was missing earlier. Okay, see, Srimukhi. Yes, it's like that only. Okay, see, basically it is a type. It is a, see, C language we used to print the same way, Srimukhi. Okay, see, this Python is a mixing of all languages, right? I told earlier. So this type, this model they got from the C language itself. Okay. See, basically in the project, no, you can see n number of ways people used to write. Okay, so you need to know every form. Okay, so that you will be comfortable, right? Okay, now let's move for the last form. So here, print with okay, guys. I feel this last form we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, we'll stop over here. Is that fine? I was like teaching one by one with, I feel it's overloaded for me as well for you also. I feel okay. We'll stop here, and tomorrow we'll complete the form 7 and we'll move to the conditional statements. Okay, clear? Okay, then. So let me stop recording.